Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the cleanest clip you can. Record 10-30 seconds of the audio where the voice or melody is clear. Background noise ruins matches. Use a phone close to the speaker or, better, a direct line in. Once done, trim to the most distinctive 10 seconds. Chorus or hook works best. Make sure to export as MP3 or WAV at standard sample rates. This improves recognition accuracy, so the service has a full-frequency snapshot to analyze. Next, feed that trimmed clip to automated recognizers. Open Shazam or SoundHound and play the clip. If you're on desktop, use browser-based audio recognition or upload the file to a matching service. If automatic matching fails, transcribe any audible lyrics and search them in quotes. Alternatively, hum or sing the melody into a service that supports melody search. This works when lyrics are missing. Keep trying different services and slightly different clips. Each uses different fingerprints, so results vary. Finally, confirm the match by listening to the candidate track and comparing key elements, tempo, lyrics, and unique phrases. Once you identify a likely title, check artist and release details to avoid covers or remixes. If nothing matches, try basic troubleshooting. Reduce noise with an isolation filter, amplify the segment, or re-record closer to the source. If still stuck, post the clip in context to a music forum. Crowdsourcing often finds a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.